Alright, hey guys, so today I'm going to be looking at the dollar yen for this week of March 24th. So starting off on the weekly charts, I'm just going to draw a chart pattern that I see. So I'm starting to kind of see a symmetrical triangle pattern forming on the weekly charts. If you just draw it like this, and then the bottom one would be here, touch that. So you can kind of see the symmetrical triangle pattern forming on the weekly charts. Now going on to the daily. Yeah, so you see it touched the bottom of the symmetrical chart pattern here. I'm just gonna move this chart down a little bit. And then prices started to move up. Touched here, started to move up now. But now prices actually retrace a little bit, so I am going to draw a, just move this out of the way, a fib retracement tool. So I'm going to use this from the bottom up to the top. So as you can see here, the price has moved up, retraced 50%. Now what I would expect to happen next is, one of two things. It can continue going down to the 62% level and then continue going up, or it could just go from this 50% level, bounce up to the top of the symmetrical pattern. Now, in this case, it's really important to look at price from a higher time frame perspective, because if you just went down to the 4-hour charts and you're trading from the 4-hour charts and you drew a trend line like this, for example, you can see that price touched here, and then when price came to here, you might have went long. And just delete this text. You might have went long here, put your stop loss here maybe, and you would have got stopped out because you didn't consider looking at the price or looking at the chart pattern from a higher time frame such as the weekly. So if you're trying to trade the 4-hour or the 1-hour charts, you're looking for an intraday trade or a short-term trade, what I would suggest is you have this trend line here, support and resistance right here. You wait for price to come up here, and then you wait for price action to go kind of short to the 62% level. So I'm just going to delete that. So yeah, you'd probably try to aim for the 62% level retrace, which is this green area here, if you're looking for a short-term trade. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be looking for price action at the 50% level or the 62% level to go long, all the way up here. And I would put my stop loss underneath the symmetrical triangle pattern on the weekly of about here. And then my take profit will obviously be up there. Let me just draw that right now. Be up here somewhere. And then this would be my stop loss. So the risk to reward ratio on this trade is probably 1-to-1. But if you're looking at it from the higher time frame perspective of the weekly, I think it's a good trade. But obviously, you never know what price is going to do ultimately. All you can do is kind of make a calculated guess. And from the weekly time frame, this is looking like a buy to me. So that's my analysis for the dollar yen. I will update you guys with what happens with price ultimately. Obviously, no one knows what price is going to do. All you can do is control your risk. Only risk 0.5% to 1% per trade. Don't move your stop loss if price goes against you a little bit, and just stick with your plan. That's it for today on this video. Thanks for tuning in. Wish you guys good luck.